Pork balls with spicy lime dipping sauce. History and cultural significance. The history. Pork balls, meatballs made from ground pork, have a long history in Asian, European, and Latin American cuisines, but their spicy lime dipping sauce is a distinct feature found in Southeast Asian cuisine, particularly Thai, Vietnamese, and Laotian cooking. The origins of pork meatballs. Meatballs have existed for centuries across many cultures, with variations in China, Thailand, Italy, and the Middle East. In Chinese cuisine, pork meatballs like lion's head and dim sum-style pork balls are commonly eaten with sauces. In European cuisine, ground pork is commonly used in Swedish, Spanish, albondigas, and Italian meatballs. Southeast Asian influence. The birth of spicy lime sauce. Thai and Vietnamese cuisine introduced tangy, spicy dipping sauces made from lime juice, fish sauce, garlic, and chili peppers. The combination of pork balls with a spicy, citrus-based sauce reflects the bold flavors of Thai and Laotian street food. The modern fusion and globalization. Today, pork balls with spicy lime sauce are popular in street food markets across Bangkok, Hanoi, and other Southeast Asian cities. The dish has also gained recognition in Western fusion restaurants, where chefs incorporate elements like lemongrass, ginger, or even mango lime dipping sauces. The cultural significance. Thai and Vietnamese street food culture. Pork balls, luk shin muon Thai, are often grilled on skewers and served with spicy sauces in street markets. The dish pairs well with sticky rice or fresh herbs, common in Thai and Lao cuisine. The symbolism in Asian cuisine. In Chinese and Thai traditions, round foods symbolize prosperity and unity. Pork is considered a versatile and flavorful meat, widely used in festivals and family gatherings. The Southeast Asian flavor balance. The combination of sour lime, spicy chili, salty fish sauce, and sweet from sugar or honey is a hallmark of Thai and Vietnamese cuisine. The spicy lime dipping sauce reflects a preference for bright, bold, and fresh flavors, making the dish both refreshing and intense. The economic aspects. Cost-effective and profitable. Pork is generally cheaper than beef or seafood, making pork balls a cost-effective dish. The ingredients for spicy lime sauce like lime, chili, fish sauce, and garlic are affordable and locally available in Southeast Asia. The growing demand for Asian street food. The Asian street food market is expected to reach $600 billion globally, with a rising demand for Thai, Vietnamese, and fusion cuisine. Many food trucks, night markets, and casual restaurants serve pork balls with spicy sauces, making them a high-margin dish. The globalization and gourmetization. Fine dining chefs are incorporating Southeast Asian flavors into modern fusion cuisine, elevating pork balls with premium ingredients like truffle oil or Wagyu beef. Ready-made Asian dipping sauces have grown in supermarkets, reflecting consumer interest in bold, spicy condiments. My conclusion. Pork balls with spicy lime dipping sauce showcase the vibrant, street food heritage of Southeast Asia while being affordable, flavorful, and globally popular. The balance of sweet, sour, salty, and spicy flavors makes this dish a perfect appetizer or street food snack, with economic viability in restaurants and street markets. Recipe for homemade pork balls with spicy lime dipping sauce. A juicy, flavorful, and slightly smoky dish with a bold, sweet, tangy, and spicy dipping sauce, perfect as an appetizer, party snack, or street food-style meal. Ingredients. For the pork balls. 1 pound ground pork or a mix of pork and chicken. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 teaspoon ginger, grated. 1 tablespoon fish sauce for the umami depth. 1/2 teaspoon soy sauce. 1/2 teaspoon sugar is optional, but will give you a slight caramelization. 1 teaspoon lime zest for the brightness. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. 1 teaspoon cornstarch or rice flour for binding. 1/2 teaspoon chili flakes optional, but will give you that heat. 1 tablespoon chopped cilantro or green onions of course optional. For the spicy lime dipping sauce. 3 tablespoons fresh lime juice, 2 tablespoons fish sauce, 1 tablespoon honey or brown sugar, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon chili garlic sauce or finely chopped Thai chilies, 1 clove garlic, minced, 1/2 teaspoon grated ginger, optional of course, 1 tablespoon water to dilute slightly, 1 teaspoon sesame oil is optional, but gives you that depth. Garnishes and serving. Fresh cilantro or Thai basil, chopped peanuts or sesame seeds, lime wedges, lettuce wraps or steamed rice when serving. Instructions. Prepare the pork balls. In a large bowl, mix together ground pork, garlic, ginger, fish sauce, soy sauce, sugar, lime zest, salt, pepper, cornstarch, and chili flakes. Form into small meatballs about 1 inch in diameter. Cooking methods. Grilled for authentic Thai style, thread pork balls onto skewers and grill over medium-high heat for 6 to 8 minutes, turning occasionally. Pan-fried, heat 1 tablespoon oil in a skillet. Cook meatballs for 4 to 5 minutes per side until golden brown. Oven-baked is a healthier option. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius for 15 to 18 minutes, flipping halfway. Air fryer, air fry at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes, shaking halfway. Make the spicy lime dipping sauce. In a small bowl, whisk together lime juice, fish sauce, honey, soy sauce, chili garlic sauce, minced garlic, and water. Taste and adjust. Add more honey for sweetness, more chili for spice, or more lime for tang. Assemble and serve. Arrange pork balls on a serving platter. Sprinkle with cilantro, chopped peanuts, and lime wedges. Serve with spicy lime dipping sauce and optional lettuce wraps or steamed rice. Enjoy. Flavor variations. Thai-style pork balls. Add lemongrass and kaffir lime leaves for extra fragrance. Vietnamese style. Use nuoc cham dipping sauce. Combine lime juice, fish sauce, sugar, and the chili. Extra spicy. Add sriracha or extra Thai bird chilies to the sauce. Keto or low carb. Skip sugar and serve with lettuce wraps instead of rice. Serving ideas. Pair with Thai iced tea, jasmine rice, or crunchy Thai papaya salad. For a party appetizer, serve with toothpicks and a dipping sauce trio, lime, peanut, and sweet chili sauce. Turn into a meal by serving over rice noodles with fresh herbs. If you could create your own unique dipping sauce for pork balls, what flavors would you combine? Would you go for something sweet, spicy, tangy, or completely unexpected? Let me know in the comments. Do you love learning about the history of food? Want to see more delicious deep dives into culinary culture? Then don't forget to subscribe to Knowledge Void and hit that notification bell so you never miss a bite. If you want to help support the channel and keep these mouth-watering videos coming, consider joining my Patreon. You'll get exclusive content, behind-the-scenes insights, and even more tasty history. Click the link in the description to become a patron today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next delicious episode.